Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm excited. I just did a video on this and I couldn't get the envelope tool to work on it. And one of my viewers sent me a little video clip where it worked on his Corel by using a rectangle. So I shut Corel down, closed all the windows, and hit an F8 when I restarted it and reset everything to default, and it works. So I had something off, but it is so much better. You don't really need to watch part one because this even puts stuff in the center. So if we go to the envelope tool, the only thing I can't really tell if that's on or off, but I always pick that one right there. Holding down the shift key, it'll grow in the inside and it's in the center. Now see, it went off, so you got to turn it back on. And see, this is in the center, holding down the shift key, and you have it. So much easier. Life is a lot better. I knew that it used to work, or I guess I'd never really tried it on a rectangle, so I thought maybe it just won't work. But this is like 10 times faster. So I thank that viewer or subscriber for making me aware that I wasn't crazy. Anyway, hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.